The military community loves Prince Harry. I mean, look at his work with the Invictus Games. They love him so much. I recall Harry's Invictus Games that he went to the Netherlands with Meghan. I recall the many, many messages from veterans thanking Prince Harry for bringing them together. I recall the enormous respect that each and every single veteran there they had towards Harry. And that is something that is felt worldwide. From the US to the UK, people appreciate Harry's work with the military. Veterans love him. And you know the UK media. UK media will do everything in their power to make everyone, turn on Harry and Meghan because that is what they want. Because Harry refused to play the game with them. The game that killed his mother, the late Diana. Because Prince Harry refused to sell his soul to the UK tabloid press in exchange for good press, to invite them over to parties, people who abuse his wife, to parties, to dance with them like what Camilla does in exchange for good press. And my family tabloids, they want the veteran military community to turn on Prince Harry. That is what they want, my family. And that's what they try to do and keep trying to do. Now, my family, why am I talking about this today? I speak about this because Prince Harry has requested a summary judgment in his libel case against the Mail. I repeat, Prince Harry has requested a summary judgment in his libel case against the Mail. Now, the Daily Fail, as you all know, lies so much about Prince Harry. They lie. Every single day, every single hour. And they use his name to get clickbait, hate for profit. That is what the tabloids do. And my family, they lied about Harry's offer to pay for royal protection when he is in the UK. And the Mail's lies were so egregious, so hurtful, that Prince Harry sued the Daily Fail. And then he won. The High Court already made one ruling that the Mail's reporting was highly defamatory to Harry. And since last year, Harry's lawyers and Associated Newspapers lawyers, Daily Fail lawyers, have been trying to negotiate a settlement. And guess what? They have not been able to come to an agreement. So now, Prince Harry has turned back to the court. The court that declared in its ruling that Daily Fail article lying about Harry's offer to pay for royal protection was defamatory to Prince Harry. Harry has turned back to the courts and asked the High Court to grant him a summary judgment. That is what Prince Harry is asking the High Court, to grant him a summary judgment. Now, what does this mean? Same as what happened in Meghan's case. It means that Harry is so confident about his case that he believes indeed that there is no reason to go or move to trial. That the court should just grant him a summary judgment, rule in his favor, just like what happened in Meghan's case against the Daily Mail. Meghan's case against Daily Mail was so strong that the judge had no choice but to grant summary judgment. That is what Harry is also asking for, summary judgment. Now, my family, so the Duke of Sussex, Prince Harry, is to ask a High Court judge to rule in his favor without a trial in his libel case against the Daily Mail on Sunday, as he aims to echo his wife's legal success against the same newspaper. Don't forget that Charles hired the deputy editor of the Daily Mail to work for him. He hired from a tabloid that abuses his son and his son's wife every single day for 6 long years. A guy by the name of Tobin Andrei, the former deputy editor of the Daily Mail. Charles had him to work for him. Remember what Harry said. If you grant them access, you get good press. So Charles here is playing the game of the UK tabloid media. Charles has sold his soul to the UK media that bullies and abuses his son. Talk about betrayal. Talk about betrayal, really. Charles betrayed his own child because he wants to get good press. My family, so Prince Harry will apply for a strikeout or summary judgment at a hearing due to be scheduled in the next 2 months after both sides failed to reach a settlement. Prince Harry sued Associated Newspaper Limited, NL, over an article published last February that said he had tried to keep secret parts of his legal fight with the Home Office over his security and had attempted to spin the dispute in his favor by claiming that he had offered to pay for police protection. The piece suggested that when news of the Duke's legal battle with the government was first revealed, his PR team released a statement saying that he had offered to pay personally for UK police protection, but that it was refused. Prince Harry argued the story suggested he had lied and had improperly and cynically tried to manipulate and confuse public opinion. Legal proceedings were temporarily paused last month to allow both sides to negotiate, but they failed to reach a settlement before the deadline last Friday. In July, Mr. Justice Nicklin ruled in Prince Harry's favor in the first stage of the claim, concluding that Prince Harry was defamed by parts of the story because it suggested that his actions were discreditable and that he had intended to mislead the public. The amount recoverable by Harry in the event that he wins the claim has been set at £341,739. Prince Harry is bringing two separate legal proceedings against the Home Office after finding out the role played by Edward Young in Harry losing his security. My family. Harry said that Edward Young, he had significant tensions with Edward Young, the Queen's, the late Queen's private secretary, Edward Young, my family. Prince Harry said that he had tensions with him, and clearly he had no idea that they played a role in him losing his security. And so he is bringing other two separate legal proceedings against the Home Office, my family. And my family, Prince Harry has not addressed this in interviews because when something is in court, you are not permitted or allowed to talk about it in the public, especially when you're discussing, settlement. You are not permitted to talk about details about it because this is an ongoing case. That's why you don't see Harry addressing this in his interviews. My family, if Charles wanted for Harry to have security, Prince Harry would have security if Charles wanted it. If William wanted for Harry to have security, Harry would have security. If they wanted. But the fact is, they don't want for Harry to have security. Now, I recall what Harry said, really, when upon finding out that he was losing his security. Meghan had asked him, "You don't think that they would take away our security, right?" Prince Harry then told Meghan, "I don't think so. I don't think they would, especially because they haven't taken security away from Uncle Andrew, from Prince Andrew, that is, my family, especially because of that, really." And then later on, it was agreed that even in the signing of summit that Harry would be permitted to keep his security. It was admitted, it was guaranteed at the Sandringham Summit that Harry would keep his security for at least 1 year while they were thinking about what to do, while they were seeking a way to fund their lifestyle. It was agreed that they would keep security for 1 year. And then members of the royal family who clearly have stabbed Harry in the back with betrayals and lies, they then proceeded, my family, to take away Harry's security. And then they say that it was the government's decision, not ours, Harry. It was the government's decision, not ours, Harry. That is what William told Prince Harry. Right when Harry was trying to contact Charles, his father, Pa, as he calls him, Charles would not take his phone call because he knew what they were doing. He knew, he must have been informed that his son was losing his security. Then Charles refused to answer Harry's phone call. William, however, the abuser, the person who physically assaulted Harry, contacted Harry and told him that it was a government decision. Nothing he could do. Lies, 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 and more lies. My family, it's clear that the Sandringham Summit was just for show. That it was what it was for. It was just for show. That was what the Sandringham Summit was for show, for the media. My family. And my family, All of these incidents that show how poorly they have treated Harry and Meghan Markle. It's important to note them, each and every single one of them. Note them, write them down, put them in a book. It's important for record. It's important for people to understand the lengths the farm go to destroy the spare Prince Harry and his wife Meghan Markle. The pain that Harry and Meghan have endured to the point that now they have to speak about it. The trauma they faced, the worries, the calls that they made, crying Tyler Perry out of fear of what the farm was doing. Every single one of those fears, just as Tyler Perry told Meghan, are genuine. All of those fears are genuine. And Harry and Meghan deserve to talk about exactly what they went through. And I'm glad that Harry has done that in his memoir. My family, I am happy that Harry has done that in his memoir. And I'm also glad that Harry has stood up to the UK tabloid media. And time again, he always wins. The fact is, whenever Harry or Meghan take a tabloid to court, there's only one outcome you can expect. Harry and Meghan win, tabloids lose. And if that's the case, then why do people believe the lies they are fed by tabloid media? I mean, if Harry or Meghan even lost one case, they'll be quoting that case as a reference that Harry and Meghan are in the wrong. But the fact is, Harry and Meghan have never ever lost even a case against a UK tabloid. And Harry is also winning this other one. A judge already has said that the Daily Mail article was defamatory. And so they'll have to pay Harry compensation for the lies they've spread about him. Why can't anyone ask or even criticize the UK tabloid media's unethical behavior? Illegal behavior, like illegally publishing Meghan's letter, knowing it was wrong. Even Harry said that, my family, Daily Fail, thought that Meghan would not sue. No wonder they illegally published Meghan's letter. Because in their minds, they thought Meghan would not sue. The farm, the royal family, would advise Meghan Markle to let it go. And that is what the farm did. Told Meghan to let it go. And yet, it was a win. An easy win. It was an easy win. Because what Daily Mail did was wrong. What they did was wrong, really. And even William tried to help a tabloid win its court case against Meghan. He still lost. William and the Daily Mail, they still lost against Meghan Markle. My family, they still lost. William still lost. That's how winnable Meghan's case was. That's how winnable it was. Yet the farm told Harry and Meghan to let go of the case. Don't pursue the case, that is. That is what they told Harry and Meghan, because they are the ones who, are feeding lies to the UK press about Harry and Meghan. And they never wanted for Harry and Meghan to even defend themselves from lies being spread about them by the UK tabloid media. Especially Meghan, because she was their target and still is their target, really, sadly. My family. So my family, I am glad that Harry, what he's doing to keep his wife and children safe. May God bless him immensely. And once again, I hope that he gets what he wants, that summary judgment that Harry wants. I hope that he's able to get the summary judgment and is able to win the court case. Actually, he has already won. He's won the court case. Judge already ruled in his favor. It is the Daily Fail that does not want to pay up for its lies. Imagine lying about someone and then ending up paying up to £341,739 if Harry wins his case. Actually, he has won. The matter is about settlement, really. But Harry wants 631,035 as opposed to 341,739. That, any win for the claim that Harry will be able to get was the highest claim that he could possibly win. Highest amount, that is 341,739. My family. But Harry wants 631 and 35. Harry wants to bankrupt the Daily Fail, said that whenever they lie about him, they always know Harry's gonna get you and you're gonna pay up money. I like that, really. I like that. And just by standing up to the Daily Mail, Harry and Meghan, they have won. It is not easy. But what Harry and Meghan have done is truly just be bold and highly, highly courageous. Highly, highly courageous. Now, someone said this, that as for Harry wanting a summary judgment, it sounds like a standard legal issue, and I hope the judge grants it. I can't believe that there's a cap on libel damages. That's so foreign to me as an American, someone said. British law community, does the cap on damages include legal fees? As in, can ANL, that's associated newspapers, be ordered to pay high legal fees plus the maxed out cap on damages? Someone asked that question, my family. Someone asked that question on this issue, my family. First of all, Prince Harry won. He stood up to once again bullies, and once again Prince Harry has won. And every single time that Harry takes on a tabloid, he always wins. Every time Meghan takes on tabloid, she always wins. And my family, the record is always impeccable. So then why don't others believe what Harry and Meghan are telling them, when the other side is clearly into illegal, shady stuff? When the other side is always engaging in conduct that is unethical, illegal, why do even the haters say with tabloids that constantly lie so much about Harry and Meghan and then pay money time and time again? My family, I'm happy that Harry won. Let this be a testament as to exactly who is on the right side of the law. The answer is Harry. The answer is Meghan. The tabloids are never on the good side of the law, my family. And Harry, good on you for pursuing this case. And once again, we wish the best always and forever for you and Meghan and Archie and Lilibetana. Thank you for standing up to bullies, Harry, and making a huge amount of money. Ask even for more. Ask for more, Harry. Keep asking for more. They need to pay up. Tabloids must pay up whenever they lie. They must know that tabloids will have to pay up, just think about this, really. Imagine you're the carnival or so-called expert, the liar who wrote this article, and then it ends up paying Harry a lot of money. Like, how do you feel about yourself, really? One thing that protects them is knowing that Daily Fail, associated newspapers, will pay for any legal damages. No wonder they lie so brazenly, because they know Daily Fail will cover for them, my family. But I'm glad that Harry has stood up to them and is taking the money straight from the Daily Fail. I love that 100%. Get them, Harry. Get them, Harry. Get them, Harry. And keep getting them, my family. Keep getting them, Harry. Keep getting them. My family, Harry is on the side of truth. Harry is on the side of the law. The others are not on the side of the law. I'm glad that Harry is, and may God bless him immensely. My family, now I want to hear your opinion on this kindly. With that and so much more, stay tuned to our next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and support our ever-growing family on YouTube. God bless Harry, Meghan, Archie, and Lepedana, and Dora Raglan. So what do you think about Harry's request for summary judgment against Daily Fail? Send him positive vibes and positive comments. My family, stay tuned on next video. Love you always and forever. Always and forever, my family. Glad that Harry and Meghan always win whenever they take these racist tabloids to court. Stay tuned to our next video. Love you always and forever. Hello, members of Zesco Family TV. First of all, I want to say thank you for all your support that you give us to our channel. We don't take it for granted that you support this channel. I want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for lending out your support and fighting against injustices, supporting Prince Harry and Meghan, showing them love. Love will always triumph over evil, and for that I say thank you. Good will always prevail over bad. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for joining this community, this amazing community of Zesco Family TV. I love you so much, family, from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all the best. May you have a great day, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things. With that and so much more, stay tuned to our next video. Leave a comment below, like, and subscribe. Love you, family, always and forever. Sayonara.